Setting up a payment system is crucial for businesses to receive payments from customers, and WorldPay is one of the most popular payment gateways used globally. In this tutorial, we will explore why businesses should use WorldPay Setup. Firstly, WorldPay is a secure payment gateway that allows businesses to accept payments online or in store. It supports multiple payment methods including credit and debit cards and provides a range of services such as payment processing and transaction management. One of the main reasons to use WorldPay Setup is its ease of integration. WorldPay provides a range of integration options including APIs and plugins for popular e-commerce platforms, making it easy to set up and start accepting payments. Another key benefit of using WorldPay is its advanced security features. WorldPay uses robust encryption and tokenization to protect sensitive customer data and prevent fraud. This provides businesses with peace of mind and helps to build trust with their customers. WorldPay also provides a range of reporting and analytics tools that allow businesses to track and manage their transactions. This includes real-time reporting and transaction history, making it easy to identify trends and optimize payment processes. In addition to these benefits, WorldPay also provides a range of value-added services such as recurring payments and invoicing. This makes it easy for businesses to manage subscription-based services and send invoices to customers. To set up WorldPay, businesses will need to create an account and provide some basic information about their business. They will then need to choose the payment methods they want to accept and set up their payment gateway. WorldPay provides a range of support options including online resources and customer support to help businesses get started. In conclusion, using WorldPay Setup provides businesses with a secure and reliable way to accept payments from customers. Its ease of integration, advanced security features, and range of reporting and analytics tools make it an ideal choice for businesses of all sizes. By following these steps, businesses can quickly and easily set up WorldPay and start accepting payments from customers.